you know why the best athletes win an Olympic gold medal? It's not because they're much stronger. It's because they work harder, are single-minded, and they never, ever quit. The only way you fail is if you quit. And we never quit. In the past 5 years, we've been doing exactly what we promised when we started. And that's super boosting your business and dominating the DeFi sphere. You and all members around the world now have the opportunity to exchange whatever bonus system you have for the powerful C1 token. Together, we're going to change this industry.
Pero yung client po is from US po.
Yan ba yung kay Yoni?
Yeah. Opo.
So big
Thank
time.
you sa opportunity with Miss Yoni.
Big time.
Starting pa lang. Kailangan lang ayusin yung work. Ayan. As in, double work, as in double check. Para na kaming engineer. Yung work pala na ganyan. Kasi po nasa real estate din siya. Sa assessor, sa government assessors po ng US.
Wow.
Yung mga ng house doon, magkano yung value, ganyan. Yung mga tax. Kami yung nag-i-encode po ng mga data nila. So, yun.
So marami ka nang natututunan about real estate.
Opo. Nagpupunta ng ng bahay na talaga na nagbebenta hanggang doon sa pagbibuild kasi yun nga yung yung buong detail ng bahay hanggang sa foundation, ano ba yung mga bato, mga semento na ginamit nila, ganun, Sir Paul. Kasi i-compute nila yung tax ng buong bahay, ganun siya. Halimbawa, mansion yan, yung mga detail nung simula nung tinayo yung bahay na yun, ganun po siya.
Wow.
Ayan.
Tapos na yung training mo.
Po?
Tapos na yung training mo.
Yeah, oo, tapos na po. Ano na talaga kami, as in, sa live data na po, ang mga ini-encode na po namin. Okay,
Right.
welcome po, Bro Rams. Ayan, so, Brother Noni. Okay, so, start na tayo, sir, or 3 minutes more na lang?
Sige, 3 minutes more. We'll start at exactly 11:15 UK time, 7:15 Philippine time, no?
Yeah. Okay po.
Kumusta
Thank you
po?
so much po. So, bago po tayo, sige po, go ahead po, Sir Paul.
Shoutout po, no? I-type niyo po sa chat box natin where you are listening and watching from para ma-acknowledge naman namin kayo. That's the beauty of our business, no? We can be anywhere in the world, no? Pero nakikita-kita tayo sa isang platform upang magbalitaan, upang bigyan kayo ng some good news, no? Sa puro positive news lang bibigay namin sa inyo for this morning. Apologies that we have not been able to conduct a webinar for the last 2 weeks. Medyo nagkasakit po tayo at ngayon lang po naka-recover. Usong-uso, no? Usong-uso yung mga sakit ngayon.
Yeah. Oo nga po, sabi nga po ni Sir Anton.
Buenos dias, amigos y amigas. Taga Espanya ka ba? Espanya ka ba?
Magandang buhay.
Sa UST?
Si ano yan? Si Sir Rambo yan, sir.
Si Sir Rambo ba yan?
Si Sir
Borams.
yan,
Kaya pala Borams no?
Borams. Ayan. So, nandiyan na kung nasaan sila ngayon para mag-enjoy po sila sa ating webinar. And of course, Sir Paul, no, yung mga good news natin sa ating dashboard. And we're so excited in our Metaverse. Tomorrow na yan, Sir Paul. Ang ating, parang kumbaga ipaumpisa. Ayan. Ang pinakaabangan natin na. Ayan, 1 minute more.
Sayonara sa inyo lahat, sabi ni Sir Anton.
Ano kaya ibig sabihin nun?
Sayonara sa'yo ng
Sa'yo na, Anachi. Ano yung Sir Anton? Please, translate please. Sabay ganun. Ayan. Okay, so magandang buhay. Welcome everyone sa mga nahuli po natin na pumasok, no? Ang Team Tribers from Hong Kong, si Ma'am Nanette. Hello po, Ma'am. Bihilia Enrico.
sa'yo na chinelas
Sa'yo
ko.
na chinelas ko. Ayan. Yun nga, pareha sila ni Sir Rambo. Okay, magandang buhay po, Sir Anton. Okay, so Sir Paul, pwede na po ba tayong mag-start ng ating opening prayer before we proceed in our presentation?
Okay, do you want to go live on Facebook before the prayer? Let's go live.
Yes po, pwede rin po. And then mag-share ako ng screen ko.
Sandali lang po, ah.
Welcome, Mr. O'Brien from Australia. Kamusta po kayo dyan, ma'am? And yan, sige, habang nagla-live po, no, si Sir Paul, chat nyo naman po kung nasaan po kayong lugar ngayon, no, at saan kayo naka-base para ma-welcome po natin mamaya after po ng opening prayer. So, we are so happy na nagkakasama-sama muli po tayo dito po sa ating Zoom webinar. I'm your host for today po, Beth Laines. Partner po ng ating magiting na trainer and presenter ngayon, Mr. Paul D. Guzman. Ayan. Okay. Excited po ba ang lahat? Okay, ayan. We are live na po, Sir Paul, no, sa ating Facebook page. So, crowd good morning everyone. Kumusta po ang lahat? Lalo na po sa ating live sa Facebook po, ang mga follower po ng Team Tribers family po, and hindi lamang po yung kundi yung ating C1 community, Filipino community. So, start po tayo ng ating opening prayer para po samahan tayo ni Lord, gabayan po tayo sa ating Zoom webinar po ngayon. Sir Paul, nakikita na po ba yung screen ko? Wait.
It's starting. Wala pa. Ngayon meron.
Meron na po. Ayan, let's pray po guys. Bilang po sa paumpisa ng ating Zoom webinar po.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another with keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Yun, okay. So yan, magandang buhay. Once again, welcome po sa ating mga attendees ngayon po. Of course, i-shout out po natin ang lahat ng ating mga attendees before we start. Give me 1 minute lang, Sir Paul, no? Bago
Okay.
ko po kayo ipakilala para
No
naman
worries.
formally, dahil kaka-open lang ng ating Facebook Live. Hello, shout out po dyan sa mga Facebook live viewers po natin. Ayan, thank you po sa 1 million viewers, Sir Paul. Grabe na yon. Nagtitrending na ang ating C1 token and finally, o di ba? Natawa si Sir Paul. Coming na yan, Sir Paul. Okay. Okay, welcome po natin ang ating mga nandito sa loob, of course. Ayan. Ma'am Maria, hello po, crowd Euro morning from Saudi Arabia. At from Ma'am Judith Saruda, ayan, from Team Hong Kong naman po yan. And of course, from Team Tribers pa rin, Ma'am Miriam, hello po, Ma'am Beth and Sir Paul, ayan, sabi po ni Ma'am, good morning. From Sir Borams, si Sir Rambo po ito, buenos dias, amigos, amigas. Okay, from Pasay City, Ma'am Gloria Cancel from Brisbane, Australia. Sir Rico Tamura from Sydney, Australia. And Ma'am Emma Bibal from London, England. And of course, ayan na nga, si Sir Borams po, Barcelona, Street, Pasay City. Ayan, kumusta ang snow dyan? Sir Rambo, okay? Ma'am Tita and Sir Brent, Central Coast, Sydney, Australia. Hello po sa lahat. Ma'am Angelica Villamar, Merry Christmas from Dubai. Hello po, shout out po dyan sa inyo. And sayonara sa inyong lahat from Sir Anton from UK, of course. Okay, so ayan, sabi po ng ating Mr. Kadamay, Mr. Danny de las Reyes, shout out po sa lahat, more blessing at makikinig lang po. Thanks po, nasa loob na lahat. Ayan, okay, Ma'am Vilma Alikap, happy birthday. Okay, Ma'am, from Team Tribers from Ma'am Nanette, and of course po, ayan, again, Ma'am Angelica. So, okay, sa mga hindi ko po nabati, maraming salamat ay na shoutout ko na rin po kayo kanina. And of course, we can start na po, excited na po tayong malaman ng ating business, yung bagong-bago, na kung saan yung bagong presentation at the same time, regarding po sa ating company ng C1, ano na nga ba yung pagbabago. So guys, nag-ship na tayo, from previous po. Ngayon po ay C1 company na po tayo at talagang niyakap na po natin yung tinatawag na cryptocurrency. So mamaya po, all that po ng mga concern and mga tanong po natin regarding po sa ating mga promos ay mababanggit din po ng ating magaling na presenter. Okay? So maraming salamat po sa C1 community, Filipino community, of course, ang Team Europe International, Team Tribers. So i-welcome na po natin ang ating magaling na presenter po ngayong gabing ito sa Pilipinas, umaga po sa UK. Okay, ang ating pong speaker, our great speaker po ngayon, ay isang napakagaling na leaders. Pero bago ko isabihin sa inyo ang kanyang mga experiences, ay ito po isang nurse by profession at siya po ay naka-base at naninirahan ngayon sa UK. At alam ko 20 years na po ito na nurse po na nag-work po sa UK po. So I've known kilala ko na po siya for how many years na nakilala ko po siya dito sa negosyong ito. Napakasipag at nandun yung puso niya para mag-serve talaga sa team. Grabe. The founder of Team Tribers Family. Welcome po natin ang ating director, 1-star, Mr. Paul D. Guzman. Sir Paul, the floor is yours. Go ahead.
Maraming salamat. Cute and adorable Beth Lanes.
Grabe yung cute.
Ang sarap ma-introduce ng isang cute and adorable Beth Lanes. Napaka-contagious ng kanyang smile. We will bring that smile all throughout our presentation. At sana mapangiti din namin kayo. We're very excited. Sana maipasa namin yung excitement namin sa inyo about our business. We are back in the map of this business. Unti-unti na po bumabalik yung glory ng community ng Pilipinas when it comes to this business opportunity. So isang magandang umaga po, maulan na umaga from the UK. It's been raining. I came from the lumabas po ako sandali to bring something to the school of my kids, and it's really raining. Napakalamig po, pero pag-iinitin po natin itong ating presentation by giving you some good news about this business. Sino po sa inyo yung mga first timers, yung mga first time pa lang maka-attend dito sa webinar natin, yung mga naimbitahan kayo, paki-type lang po dyan sa chat box if you are new, and where you are coming from, or which kung sino man nag-invite sa inyo. Kung kayo na may mga dating members na, i-type nyo po yung pangalan ng mga in-invite nyo for this webinar. And hopefully, mabigyan natin sila ng tamang information para maintindihan nila kung ang real potential nitong business opportunity na to. Okay? So, again, ako po muli si Paul D. Guzman, isang NARS by profession. Sabi nga ni Beth, I've been in this country for the last 23 years of my life, practicing my beloved profession of sa nursing, no? Hanggang ngayon po nagtatrabaho pa rin po tayo. I remember, no, the first time I came to the UK, sabi ko 5 years lang, mag-iipon lang ako ng pangnegosyo tapos uwi na ng Pilipinas, no? After 5 years, wala pa rin naipon. Sabi ko, I'll extend for another 5 years, no? After another 5 years, 10 years na, wala pa rin, no? Kumbaga, ganun pa rin pala, no? Para ka rin nasa Pilipinas, kumikita ka ng malaki pero gumagastos ka rin ng malaki. So in the end, no? May nabibili, merong konting luxury sa buhay pero ganun pa rin. You still have to continue working. Kailangan trabaho pa rin ng trabaho para masustentuhan natin yung mga monthly bills natin, o yung iba siguro may mga pagkakautang pa, no, before even coming to the UK or anywhere abroad, no. I'm sure marami sa inyo nakaka-relate, no. In other words, yung employment po is really not the answer to our ultimate dreams in life, no, yung magkaroon ng financial freedom and time freedom. And this is what we are going to give a solution today, no? Kung kayo po ay nangangarap na magkaroon ng maraming pera, kung kayo po ay nangangarap na magkaroon din ng maraming oras para mas marami ka rin yung time for the other more important things in life katulad ng pamilya, you are in the right meeting po, no? At sana'y maintindihan nyo po yung aking mga ipapaliwanag sa inyo. So hindi na po natin pagtatagalin. Let me share to you my screen para may paliwanag ko na po sa inyo kung ano itong napaka-exciting na business opportunity na ito. Right, are you ready guys? Welcome once again to our digital business presentation. Saan man lugar kayo o saan man kayo nakikinig at nanonood ngayon, no? We welcome you to this opportunity. Malay nyo, ito na pala yung opportunity na matagal nyo nang inihintay, matagal nyo nang pinagdadasal, di ba? So, ang kahilingan lang po namin, makinig mabuti. I don't want you to miss out on any information that may be critical for you to understand the potential of this business opportunity, no? Especially that this opportunity is tapping into the biggest industry in the world ngayon, no? Yung Web3, yung Metaverse, yung cryptocurrency, yung blockchain, tsaka yung NFT o yung non-fungible tokens na tinatawag natin, no? So ang hiling ko lang po sa inyo, no? Tulad ng sinabi sa ating opening prayers, no? We need to keep an open mind, no? Kahit sa anong bagay, no? Hindi lang sa ganitong klaseng business, we need to keep an open mind because you'll never know kanong opportunity ang magbabago ng takbo ng buhay at kabuhayan nyo. So parang parachute lang lamang daw po ang isipan natin, no? It works best when it is open. So pagka open yung mind natin, natututo tayo ng mga bagong skills, nakakakita tayo ng mga bagong options sa buhay, at yung mga opportunity na dumadating sa harapan natin, na-appreciate natin yan. Sabi nga ng mga pinaka-successful at pinakamayaman na tao sa mundo, ang karaniwan daw na naghihiwalay sa atin, no? At sa mga magagandang bagay na gusto natin sa buhay ay yung willingness natin to change your mindset. Kaya dapat buksan natin yan, okay? And the blessings will pour upon you, di ba? So, para maintindihan po natin itong negosyo na to, we have to start by explaining to you kung ano ba itong company na to, ano ba yung mga produkto at serbisyo nito, at paano ba tayo kikita through this business opportunity, no? So, and there's no better way to do that kundi ipakita sa inyo itong video na to, which in 4 minutes time maintindihan nyo lahat-lahat. This is the overview of the whole business. And then after the video, no, I will show you more videos of each particular product and services na medyo flagship natin. Ito yung nagdadala sa negosyo natin. Okay? So enjoy this 4-minute video and hopefully maintindihan nyo agad itong ating business opportunity.
Welcome to our 4-minute presentation about C1. Firstly, I would like to remind you about our disclaimer. We are not an investment company or a trading company or a cryptocurrency company. With us, you take full responsibility for your own financial situation. Now, let's get into a brief overview. What is C1 and what is our company's mission? You may have heard of big names like Alibaba or Amazon, and today I will use them as examples to help you understand what we are doing. I will also reference other popular companies like Uber and Booking.com. What do all these platforms have in common? They all require customers to be successful, and they use various methods to attract them, such as advertising on Google, TV, magazines, and billboards. Customers are incentivized by these platforms to buy products or services, resulting in revenue for the company. For instance, when a customer orders an Uber, the company earns a commission while the driver receives the rest of the fare. Similarly, Booking.com takes a cut when a customer books a hotel through their platform. These businesses operate as referral platforms, providing other companies with a channel to sell their products without actually owning the products themselves. Uber doesn't own any taxis, and Booking.com doesn't own any hotels. In essence, the main goal is simply to refer customers to the products and service providers. Now we've arrived at C1. What is C1? C1 is actively using the network industry, also known as referral system, in order to build our own crowd. In other words, we are building a huge customer base. How do we do this? By network marketing. Why? It's the best, easiest, and most cost-efficient way to reach customers while enabling other businesses to make money. Meanwhile, C1 has 50-plus million members in 150-plus countries united in the last 4 years. C1 offers a range of products and services, including our own travel agency, Travelia, similar to Booking.com. Customers can book hotels and vacations at great prices and even earn benefits from the hotel's reward program. Moreover, C1 is not just a travel agency, but also an educational platform. While basic education is necessary, investing in supplemental education and knowledge outside of traditional schooling is crucial for making real money. We offer 2 education platforms, Tigra, which includes a crypto academy where you can learn about trends, trading, and blockchain, and Mindo, which provides knowledge in multiple languages for both personal and business development. You can even offer your own knowledge to other C1 members. In addition to education, we also have the Metaverse Trade to Earn game, where you can learn to trade in a virtual world and earn real money. Planet IX is our top game on the Polygon blockchain, with thousands of active players building a better world and making extra money. Lastly, we have Emperor Night, a state-of-the-art game similar to Candy Crush, where you can earn shares and millions of gamers are waiting for the opportunity to share to earn. Our platform presents a unique opportunity for our customers and members to access everything they desire in one place. You can conveniently book your hotel from the comfort of your own office, participate in educational programs, and play to earn, all through C1. Moreover, the profit earned by C1 is not entirely for the company itself. It is directed back to the C1 system, which is designed to benefit active members. That's not all. Our company is soon launching its own token, the C1 token. All active C1 members will receive free access to these tokens. This token will not only have value through our existing ecosystem with over 50 million members, but it will also have usability through our products. We have created a token value pool with IXT tokens and are adding more value through our product's profits to this pool. This token launch is unprecedented and sets a new standard in the industry. At C1, we are using past referral platforms in the industry as blueprints to create something bigger. We are offering the best compensation plan in the industry with multiple income opportunities, including a huge residual income. Our company is dedicated to providing not only the best products and services, but also real benefits to our customers and members that can improve their daily lives. This is C1.
Ayun, no? The business in 4 minutes, no? I hope na malinaw po yung negosyo natin. It's basically just an affiliate marketing company or a referral business, no? Kung saan i-refer natin yung mga powerful products and services ng ating company na tinatawag na C1, no? So if you know how to send a link, no, sa inyong mga messenger, then you are more than capable of doing this business opportunity. Now, pag-usapan natin yung mga major products and services ng ating company. I wouldn't be able to explain all the details, no, of every product and services, pero mag-focus tayo dun sa 3 produkto na sa tingin natin ay siyang pinaka life of our business opportunity, no? Unahin natin yung tinatawag na Planet IX, no? And through this video, again, no, maintindihan natin what Planet IX is all about. Paano ba tayo kumikita diyan sa Planet IX na yan, no? It's a virtual virtual blockchain gaming game, no, that tackles basically real estate, no, strategy game siya, no. So let's watch this video para mas maintindihan nyo what Planet IX is all about.
The year is 450 after Earth. Agents of change have unknowingly returned to their former home. They call it Planet IX, a world destroyed, full of ancient ruins and wastelands. Their mission is simple: restore, rebuild, and resurrect. Planet IX is an NFT-based strategy game, offering a fun and challenging path to earn rewards in the game's own currency, IX token. The game went on-chain in November 2021 and has since experienced strong growth. Planet IX is currently ranked as a leading game across all blockchains, with more than 100,000 wallets connected daily and over 220,000 wallets holding IXT. The game consists of 4 hubs, all integrated to create a dynamic user experience catering to a broad audience. Trade and build. Planet IX is a digital rendition of Earth, divided into 1.7 billion hexagons called PIX, each one a tradable NFT. Collect PIX with the aim to form territories by connecting a number of adjacent PIX on the map, as territories unlocks IXT rewards. PIX can be acquired directly on Planet IX's own marketplace or in special packs. In Marketplace, you may also trade other in-game assets to be used strategically in the part of the game called Mission Control. Farm and play to earn. In Mission Control, you can monetize your assets when placing PIX on land tiles. The tiles will start producing waste, which can be collected either manually or through time-saving technology like drones and rovers. In Planet IX, waste serves as a valuable resource that can be converted to consumable assets, which are needed to build facilities. Facilities produce energy, the ultimate asset in Mission Control, as energy can be spent on exclusive packs or staked for IXT rewards. All in-game assets are NFTs that you own and monetize. This is Planet IX's free-to-play and play-to-earn mechanic. Staking and DeFi. As you start building territories or producing energy, you can head over to IX Foundation, Planet IX's GameFi platform. Here you may lock up your collected assets to earn IXT. IX Foundation also offers staking rewards for staking IXT, as well as providing liquidity, creating a natural landing page for anyone who owns or is interested in IXT, gamer or not. Gaming and esports. Whether you want to enjoy just a casual game or a multiplayer competitive one, visit the IX Arena. IX Arena is funded by revenues generated from Marketplace and Mission Control, and by playing the games, you have the chance to earn IXT. This provides an excellent opportunity for new players, as you can use your winnings to explore the full Planet IX experience in Marketplace, Mission Control, and IX Foundation. To find out more about Planet IX and start playing, head over to planetix.com.
Right, Planet IX is a very exciting blockchain-based strategy game, no? Na in less than 2 years lamang po, no? Ang Planet IX po has become the #1 Polygon blockchain-based strategy game, no? Kaya nga a lot of people have made a lot of money in this particular blockchain-based strategy game na tinatawag na Planet IX, no? At hanggang ngayon po, the company this Planet IX has sustained its popularity. Tayo pa rin po ang #1 na Polygon blockchain-based strategy game, no? So in the industry. The next product na gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, which is equally exciting, especially para doon sa mga mahilig mag-travels, no, is what we call Travelia, no? And I'd like you to watch this 1-minute video para maintindihan natin what Travelia is all about. This is very, very similar to a booking engine na kilala natin na tinatawag na booking.com, no? Only that you'll get higher discounts dito sa Travelia na ito. Okay? So please watch this video. Travelia for you, no? So basically a hotel booking engine, no? It has access to over 800,000 hotels all over the world, no? So basically pagka subscriber ka ng Travelia, no, you can use your Travelia to book all your travels. Alam naman natin na yung hotels is one of the most expensive part of any travels, no? Kaya at least, no, makakatipid tayo dito up to 65% discount po ang makukuha natin if you are a subscriber of Travelia. Okay? But that is not what we are excited about, di ba? Sabi natin sa invitation natin, something big is about to launch, no? And now we're going to talk about something big, no? And that is what we call the C1 token, no? This is your opportunity to take your place as pioneers of this particular cryptocurrency token. Pero bakit nga ba, no? Bakit nga ba natin dapat pag-usapan ng cryptocurrency? Let's look at the number one cryptocurrency in the world, no, yung Bitcoin, which was launched way back in 2009. Let me bring you back in time, no. In 2009, lumabas yung Bitcoin. Marami sa atin nakarinig niyan, probably from our friends or from your emails or from your Facebook, no, narinig po na natin yung Bitcoin. But there was ang common reaction ng karamihan sa atin was it's a scam, di ba? And we are not alone in saying na ang Bitcoin is a scam. A lot of people, even famous people, have said the same, no? Ito, like for example, si Warren Buffett, no, one of the richest man in the world, no? At one point, number one siya, di ba? Sabi niya, stay away from Bitcoins. It's not a currency. The idea that it has some huge intrinsic value is just a joke, no? Sinabi niya yan sometime in 2017 at the height of the popularity of Bitcoin dahil tumataas na po yung value ng Bitcoin yan, no? And Jamie Dimon naman, CEO ng JP Morgan, the number one banking institution sa Amerika, no? Sabi niya, Bitcoin is a fraud. In fact, in a recent Senate inquiry, no, sinabi niya na if he was the government, no, he would basically abolish the cryptocurrency industry, no. Of course, we can understand kung bakit niya sinabi yon dahil CEO siya ng isang bangko, no. And alam naman natin na ang operation ng bangko is naapektuhan ng cryptocurrency industry, no. In fact, a lot of people are now saying na ang cryptocurrency daw po will be the future of future currency of the world, no? Kumbaga, hindi na tayo gagastos sa mga paper money, and we are now experiencing that. Ako po, pagka nagsha-shopping po ako, no, ginagamit ko lang po yung Bitcoin card ko at tatap ko lang po dun sa mga contactless na mga machines nila, no? Nakakapag-shopping na po ako. So everywhere in the world, pwede na pong gamitin yung Bitcoin as a currency. Pwede niyo na yung gamitin sa pag-shopping in most parts of the world, no? So this was in 2017. Now it's 2023. Let's look at the value of Bitcoin, di ba? Nang nag-start ang Bitcoin po in 2009, 0.001 of a dollar lang ang value niya. So halos walang value, no, 2009. Pero sabi nga natin, scam, kahit hindi naman ganun kalaki mawawala sa atin, hindi tayo nag-invest dyan, di ba? Pero after 14 years, 2023 na ngayon, no? Look at the value of Bitcoin, $40,000 na po. So kung ikaw ang isa sa mga naniwala sa Bitcoin in 2009, dapat multimillionaire ka na ngayon, no? Kung bumili ka ng isang Bitcoin noon for less than 50 pesos, no? Ngayon ang value na ng Bitcoin mo is $40,000 na, di ba? So multimillionaire ka na. And look at this prediction chart. Inaasahan po na by 2030, aabot po ng mga $100,000 po ang value ng Bitcoin. Sino pang makakapigil dyan, di ba? Not even the bank, not even the government, because this is decentralized, di ba? So yan po yung kung bakit kailangan natin tignan ang cryptocurrency industry, no? Dahil napakaraming pera po na pwede tayong kitain dyan sa industriya na yan. So we have to get ready, no, for the C1 token, because this is our chance to take our place as pioneers of this particular cryptocurrency token na ilo-launch sa isang company na established at very stable na, no? And the one reason kung bakit inaasahan natin na magkiklik agad ang C1 token is because we already have 50 million people who are ready to use the token, no? The more people that are using the token, the higher the value of the token would be, di ba? So magiging utility token po itong C1 token. Kaya everybody is excited about. about it, no? So ang aim po ng company is to become one of the top player on the Polygon blockchain. Tulad ng Planet IX, dadalhin po natin yung C1 token, no? Katulad ng IXT ng Planet IX natin, no? As number 1 in the Polygon blockchain. And we will also be one of the top 5 cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Di ba? After Bitcoin, lumabas sa Ethereum, and marami na rin iba't iba pang cryptocurrency token, no? Na lumabas dyan. But again, this is something big from our company C1. So how do you become part or how do you own a C1 token, no? Isa lamang po, isa pong paraan upang magkaroon ka ng C1 token is by becoming part of this business. And for you to become part of this business, kailangan po na magkaroon ka ng tinatawag nating C1 element packages natin, which is yung earth, yung air, yung water, at yung fire po. And these 4 packages will bring you to the uncharted territory ng Web3, ng crypto, ng blockchain, ng metaverse, no? And of course, gagamitin pa rin natin yung network marketing or yung affiliate marketing as the method to distribute our powerful products and services, no? So pag-usapan po natin yung 4 na packages na yan, no? Unahin natin yung Earth package. You can start in this business by purchasing this simplest package natin, yung Earth package, for only 129 euros or more or less in peso, mga 8 to 9,000 pesos po yan. Hindi ka lugi dahil ang Earth package po ay naglalaman ng mga powerful products and services ng ating company, pero pinaka-importante, of course, yung NFT natin o yung non-fungible token. And non-fungible means irreplaceable, unique, no? At ang value po, isa po yung digital asset na ang value po nag-i-increase over time. And ang kagandahan pa nito, itong Earth package natin is the Genesis Generation NFT na ginawa po ng ating company. So inaasahan ang value niyan talagang tataas po over time. Another important reason why we should purchase an Earth package, yung C1 token natin, no? Makakakuha po tayo ng certain number of C1 token dyan. Mamaya ipapaliwanag ko po yan. But if you want to start in this business bigger, nandyan po yung mas malaking package natin na tinatawag na Air for only 319 euros or more or less mga 20 to 22,000 pesos, no? Nandyan po yung dalawang NFT na makukuha mo, including the Air NFT, plus you get more C1 token, and of course the other products and services ng ating company. With the water package, 819 euros or 50 to 55,000. Tatlong NFT na po makukuha natin, including the water NFT, plus of course you get more C1 token. And again, sabi nga ni Beth kanina, no? We will also see the launching of our product na tinatawag na Metaverse, no? Dito sa water package, you'll get a bigger package dito sa Metaverse. Nandiyan naman po yung fire package natin, 2,519 euros or more or less mga 150,000 to 160,000 pesos, no? 4 na makapangyarihang NFT na po ang ating makakamit dyan, including the fire NFT, and of course you get the maximum number of C1 token plus the other products and services ng ating company. So 4 na malalaking package, no, ang pwede natin pagpilian upang masimulan itong negosyo natin. If you are to ask me ano yung pinakamagandang package, I would definitely answer you straightforward, yung fire package, dahil mama-maximize mo yung potential income mo. Pero kung meron kang affordability problem, meron kang budget constraint, mas maganda magsimula ka on the smallest package, Earth. Don't worry, dahil along the way, habang ginagawa mo yung negosyo, pwede ka mag-upgrade to the bigger packages, lalo na pagka kumikita ka na dito sa negosyo, no? So there are opportunities all the time, di ba? Now, the company is so generous, no? Binigyan tayo ng opportunity na makapag-upgrade to an even bigger package for free, no? Pero this has been extended so many times. Ngayon, hanggang January 5 na lang po, kaya wag niyo na pong kalimutan to take advantage of this promotion, no? Anong ibig sabihin itong free upgrade na to? Pagka bumili tayo ng air package na tinatawag, ang ibibigay sa atin ng company, Earth. Pag bumili tayo ng Earth package, ang bibigay sa atin ng company, Air package. Pagka bumili tayo ng Air package, ang ibibigay sa atin ng company, Water package. Pagka Water package ang binili natin, ang bibigay sa atin ng company, Fire package. Pagka bumili ka naman ng Fire package, meron pang isang limited edition na package na tinatawag na Fifth Element, which will give you more C1 token, which will also give you, no, 2 legendary NFT, no? Kaya mas malaki po yung benefit ng fifth element na to. So yan ang makukuha mo if you purchase the FAR package during this free upgrade promotion, no? So napakalaking savings po ang makukuha natin out of this promotion. So take advantage of it. Now, pag-usapan natin yung C1 token dun sa loob ng mga packages ninyo. How much C1 token will you get, no? Ito na po. If you have an Earth package, ang makukuha mo C1 token is 1,000 C1 tokens. If you purchase the Air package, you will get 2,500 C1 token. If you purchase the Water package, 7,500 C1 tokens. If you purchase the Fire package, you get 20,000 C1 tokens. Pag meron kang Fifth Element package, maximum of 35,000 C1 tokens ang makukuha nyo. Now, let me play with your imagination right now, no? Pinag-usapan natin yung Bitcoin kanina. Magkano nga ang value ng Bitcoin in 2009? $0.001, no? So napakaliit po. Baka nga 5 piso lang yon kung anong mga panahon na yon, no? Ang isang token. So let's say na ganun din ang magiging value ng C1 token natin sa simula or even lesser. Sabihin natin piso na lang ang pag-usapan natin, no? Hindi na dollar, piso na lang, no? So that means if you have 1,000 C1 tokens, no? Meron kang 1,000 pesos diyan. Pero I don't want you to think of the now. Think of the then. No, think of the future. No, think of what happened to Bitcoin. No, nung 2009, napakamura pero pagdating ng 2023, $40,000 ang value niya. No. So kahit kalimutan mo na lang yan, no, 'di ba? Yung isang may-ari ng Bitcoin before, no, bumili lang siya tapos kinalimutan na niya, no. Nung buksan niya uli yung Bitcoin wallet niya, yung account niya, ang value na ng Bitcoin niya $886,000, no. Grabe, 'di ba? Kinalimutan lang niya. Pero ito, no, we have an opportunity. Sabihin natin na piso lang, edi 1,000. Paano kung after 2 years umabot ng $1 man lang? O kaya after 1 year, umabot ng $1. Di yung 1,000 C1 token mo, meron ka ng $1,000. Paano kung meron kang Fifth Element package? Di yung 35,000 C1 token mo, meron kang $35,000. Di ba? May ginawa ka? Ito yung sinasabi natin before na in this opportunity, you can earn even while you're sleeping. Nilagay mo lang yung, bumili ka lang ng package, nandun yung C1 token mo, iniwan mo, no, after several years, no, profitable na siya. Lumaki na yung value ng digital asset mo na yan, di ba? So yun po yung potentially pwedeng mangyari doon sa C1 token natin. Now, you have an opportunity, no, to become to own the C1 token kahit old members ka pa na sumali in 2009 up to the present, no. Remember nung mga time na nagko-collect tayo ng Crowd1 rewards daily, no, halos mapudpud yung ating mga daliri, no, kaka-claim niyan. And also after the Crowd1 rewards, nandiyan naman po yung loyalty points. Nagko-collect din tayo everyday niyan, di ba? So, we have collected those points, no, for several years, no, pero hanggang ngayon hindi pa natin alam kung ano magiging value niyan. But now is the time, no, for those Crowd1 rewards and loyalty points to have a value. Dahil lahat po ng nakolekta nyo na Crowd1 rewards and loyalty points from 2019, 2020, mako-convert na ngayon, i-burn ng company into C1 token, no? So mako-convert, magkakaroon na ng value niyan once the C1 token is officially launched, no, in the first quarter of next year. So a great opportunity for everyone. Now, kung ikaw naman, no, ay old members na hindi pa nagkakaroon ng element package after November 22, meron ka pa rin 3 option upang magkaroon ka ng C1 token, no? Meron ka ring option upang ma-convert mo yung Crowd1 rewards and C1 token, yung loyalty points mo into C1 token. Ang first option mo, libre, wala kang babayaran. Pero ang kondisyon ng company, 10% lang nung conversion, no, o nung base C1 token mo based on the conversion of your Crowd1 rewards and loyalty points ang makukuha mo. Hindi ka natalo kasi wala ka namang babayaran, di ba? Ang second option natin, magbayad ka lang daw ng €19 na administrative fee, makukuha mo lahat, no, ng C1 ng base C1 token pag na-convert yung C1 rewards mo at loyalty points. At hindi lang makukuha mo yung total number of C1 token mo, but dodoblehin pa ng company yan. Pero dahil meron kang ×2 multiplier. Pero ito yung pinakamaganda, yung pangatlong option natin. If you wish to upgrade to an element package, no, Mapa Earth yan, mapa Air, mapa Water, mapa Fire, mapa Fifth Element. Bibigyan ka ng company ng multiplier. Imu-multiply niya yung base C1 token value mo. If you upgrade to the Earth package, 3 times multiplier yan, no? Pag Air package, 4 times multiplier. Pagka Water package, 6 times multiplier. Pagka Fire package, 8 times multiplier. Pag Fifth Element package, 10 times multiplier. Partner mo pa yan doon sa pre-upgrade promo. Di mas lalaki pa yung multiplier mo, di ba? So those are the 3 options. Kayo na pong mamili kung anong gusto nyong piliin. Now, the company also gave us an opportunity para magkaroon pa ng more C1 token through the referral club competition, no? Dito, lahat ng papasok dito sa referral club nito will share in the 50 million C1 tokens na ipapamigay ng company in the top 1,000, no, to sign up new members. For you to qualify, kailangan lang until January 15, no, mag-refer ka lang na mag-refer, no, nabibili ng mga ating C1 NFT element package, no. Pagka pumasok ka sa top 1,000, meron kang C1 token diyan. Let's look at how much C1 token you can possibly get. Pagka nag-place ka on the 751st up to 1,000, meron kang 15,000 C1 tokens. 501st to 750 places, 20,000 ka C1 token. 251st to 500, meron kang 25,000 C1 tokens. 101 to 250 places, 50,000 C1 tokens. 11 to 100 places, 100,000 C1 tokens. No, ngayon, kung 11th place ka, magsisisi ka dito, no? Dahil tignan mo, makukuha mo kung ginalingan mo pa ng konti, no? Pagka 10th place ka, meron kang 500 C1 token. Pagka 9th place ka, 600,000. 8th place, 700,000. 7th place, 800,000. 6th place, 900,000. 5th place, 1 million. 4th place, 2 million. 3rd place, 3 million. 2nd place, 4th million. And 1st place, you will get 5 million C1 token. Ilagay mo na lang na piso yung value ng token na yun. Di meron kang 5 million pesos. Correct? Exciting? Type 1 po kung exciting po yung mga factual information na pine-present ko po sa inyo today, no? Now, we also have other ways para kumita dito sa negosyo, no? Pwede pa mag-multiply yan. The company is a compensation plan, no? Binibigyan tayo ng 4 na klase ng bonus. Actually, 5 yan. Pero pag-usapan na lang po natin itong 4 na to, no? You have the sales bonus, the crowd bonus, the matching bonus, the residual bonus. Papasok ito doon sa referrals natin, no? So, with the sales bonus, simple lang yan, no? For every products and services tulad ng Planet X at Travilla that you sell, you get a percentage of that, no? You will get paid in Bitcoin. Pangalawa, yung crowd bonus, no? Ito na yung referral system natin, no? When you refer people, your friends to the business, no? Ang gagawin ng company yan, hahatiin yan sa left and right, no? For every matching referrals mo na bumili ng mga NFT element packages natin, babayaran ka ng company in Bitcoins. Next, matching bonus, no? Bibigyan ka pa ng additional 10% ng company base sa kinikita nung mga ni-refer mo dito sa negosyo, no? So, the more income they make, you'll get more matching bonus, no? So, mas marami, mas maganda, di ba? And lastly, yung residual bonus where you have an opportunity to rank up, no? The higher your rank is, the more residual bonus ang bibigay sa ng company from team leader to ambassador, no? Dito, no? Para ka ng pensionado dahil ang residual bonus binibigay sa atin ng company every single month. Mas mataas ang posisyon mo, halimbawa, manager ka, director ka, president ka, ambassador ka, mas mataas ang monthly na makukuha mo in residual bonus. Again, you'll get paid in Bitcoins dito. Okay? So I hope, no, na malinaw sa inyo yung paraan ng pagkita dito sa negosyo natin. There are other promotions and incentives na binigay ang company para mag-generate tayo ng more crowd one rewards. For example, yung double bonus reward natin, yung crowd bonus natin, for every crowd bonus that you earn, yung mga BP natin, yung mga binary bonus mo, dodoblehin ng company yan. So, ibig sabihin, kung kumita ka ng 1,000 BP na binary bonus, no, dodoblehin ng company yan in C1 tokens. Right? Pangalawa, no, if you create more team leader 1-star in your organization, no, syempre nagbi-build ka ng organization mo. Pagka tinulungan mo sila na maging team leader 1, you'll get 500 extra C1 token. Kung 10 yung natulungan mo, di meron kang 5,000 extra C1 tokens, di ba? Another way to generate more ito yung tatlo, no, na unparalleled incentives upang magkaroon tayo ng maraming C1 token. Yung tatlong piniliwanag ko po sa inyo, no, yung 50 million referral club competition, yung double bonus reward natin, and the third one is to develop leaders in your organization. Pag nag-create ka ng team leader, the company gives you additional C1 token. So maraming paraan upang makakuha tayo nitong coveted C1 token na ilo-launch ng company very, very soon. Okay? Now, what's next, no? Of course, no, hindi natin kikitain yung mga bonuses na pinag-usapan natin kanina, no, like the crowd bonus and the matching bonus, kung wala tayong tinatawag na activity points. Ang activity points, ang mga points yan na nag-generate every time you refer and those referrals purchase products and services dito sa company natin. Sabi nga nila, no, tayo affiliate or partners ng company, we need to help the company para kumita, para tayo din masustain natin itong negosyo natin. The product has to move or nobody gets paid. Do you agree? Di ba? Simple lang naman ang hinihingi sa atin ng company. Okay? Dapat lang magkaroon tayo ng monthly activity points, no? Ito po ang requirement natin upang makuha natin yung mga bonuses natin. At nakadepende to kung ano yung rango mo, from team leader hanggang doon sa president natin, no? Or even senior president up to ambassador level. Pero from team leader to ambassador 3 stars level, no? Pare-pareho lang tayo ng personal activity points required, no? Yung tayo mismo, yung sa atin mismo manggagaling. 5 activity points lang, no? Explain ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano ka magkakaroon ng 5 activity points. Nagkakaiba lang tayo from team leader to ambassador 3 doon sa number ng group activity points required para sa atin. Kasi pag team leader ka hanggang coordinator 3, 5 activity points lang din ang required na group activity points mo. So yung 5 activity points mo na personal, sapat na, di ba? Pero pag manager ka, to manage your 3 stars, some 10 na yung group activity points na required sa'yo. Pagka director ka, 15. The higher your rank is, mas lumalaki yung group activity points na nire-require sa atin ng company. Pero ito yung good news. Until January 15, no? If you are a team leader hanggang manager 3, gustong tulungan ng company yung mga nagsisimula pa lang dito sa negosyo. If you're a team leader to manager 3, wala ka ng requirement, no? Wala ka ng requirement na activity points. Di ba? Good news yun? Di ba? Do you agree? It's good news. From team leader to manager 3 stars, wala ka ng requirement na personal or group activity points. So, celebrate dahil madali na para sa iyo makapagsimula dito sa negosyo na to. But again, for the director up to the ambassador, no, you have to abide by the requirement of the company para makuha natin yung mga bonuses natin dito. Okay? Now, how do you get activity points, no? By subscribing to the products and services ng ating company, particularly itong Planet IX and Travelia. Yung Planet IX, pwede ka mag-subscribe ng 1 month dun sa AstroCap Meta shares natin ng Planet IX, no? 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, of course, the price varies. Pag 1 month, 99 euros lang yan. Pagka 6 months, 569 euros. Pag 12 months, 1,069 euros. No? But of course, you get something out of it. No? Kaya sulit na sulit pa rin po yan. With 1 month, you get 5 activity points. With 6 months, you get 30 activity points, and if it's 12 months, you get 60 activity points, which means hindi mo na problema yung activity points mo for the whole year, no? And not only that, you also get direct sales bonus, you get residual bonus, no? And of course, yung mga meta shares nyo, kumikita din ng income yan, di ba? Pangalawa, no, through Travelia, pwede ka mag-subscribe din ng 1 month, ng 6 months, and 12 months. Every month is 5 activity points yan, no? Pag 1 month, 59 euros lang sa Travelia. Pag 6 months, 269. Pagka 12 months naman, 529 euros, no? And you get the incredible discounts at over 800,000 hotels worldwide. So that's how you generate activity points, no? Para makuha natin lahat ng mga bonuses natin. The company is also so generous na binigyan tayo ng incentive trip promo for 2024, no? And none other than Maldives, no? Trip, no? Alam niyo ba yung Maldives? I'm sure nasa bucket list po ng bawat isa natin yan, no? For us to qualify to the Maldives paradise, no? Trip, kailangan lang magkaroon tayo ng at least na 5 bagong sign up, no? Or upgrade na kukuha ng mga packages na water, na fire, tsaka ng fifth element package, no? Ang qualification period natin nag-start na last October at matatapos yan this coming January 10. Okay? Now, no? Yung claiming po ng ating mga airdrop for C1 token has already started, no? Yan po yung stage 1 natin. Pagdating ng stage 2, which started in January, which will start in January 15, no? Yan na po yung cut-off date para ma-claim nyo excuse me po, yung mga C1 token nyo para ma-burn at ma-convert nyo yung mga Crowd1 rewards at yung mga loyalty points nyo into C1 token. Kaya wag nyo pong kalilimutan yan. Okay? Pero yung exciting part yung stage 3, no? Yung quarter 1 ng 2024 from January to March, no? Yan po usually ang bullish period pagdating sa cryptocurrency. Kaya sasabayan po ng ating company yung launching ng C1 token natin. Excuse me po. Okay, so official token launch from in quarter 1, DEX listing, no, decentralized exchange, tapos ilo-launch na rin, 'di ba? Narinig natin yung weekly update ni founder, no, Jonas Eric Werner, na malapit na rin yung launching ng ating C1 wallet, 'di ba? Syempre kung meron kang C1 token, kailangan meron ding paglalagyan yan, yung C1 wallet natin, which is very very promising, no? And then of course, sa stage 4 natin, quarter 2 from March to June na po yan, no? Yan na po yung global listing natin, ecosystem, makikipagsabayan na po tayo doon sa mga major cryptocurrency in the world, no? Papasok na po tayo doon sa CEX listing na tinatawag. Okay? So again, airdrop claim has started. Pwede nyo na pong i-claim yung mga C1 token nyo. Pwede nyo nang i-convert yung mga C1 rewards and loyalty points nyo. Kaya kung meron kayong mga old members na natulog, gisingin nyo po sila, no? A lot of people are now waking up and claiming their C1 tokens. Alright? Hanggang January 15 po yan. Okay, so naipaliwanag ko po sa inyo lahat ng mga kailangan nyo malaman para maintindihan nyo what this is all about. If it's not enough, nandyan pa po yung mga training natin on a daily basis. Sina Director Eddie Onya, Director Danny De Los Reyes, sina Coach Orly, sina Beth, no, are here, no, to educate us about this business opportunity, no, para hindi natin sabihin natin na hindi natin linya itong negosyo na to. Hindi ko rin po ito linya, remember, nursing po ang tinapos ko, no? Pero by simply submitting myself to this training, araw-araw nagzo-Zoom po ako, nanonood po ako ng mga videos sa YouTube, no, in no time at all, no, na natutunan natin lahat ng dapat kong matutunan about this business opportunity, and it has helped me to make a lot of money in this business opportunity. I am now a Director 1 star dito sa negosyo na to. I started in 2020, no, so medyo malayo na rin po yung narating natin, pero meron pa ring malayo na pwede nating puntahan, di ba? So, paano ka ba magsisimula dito sa negosyo na to? Number 1, you have to join. Of course, you have to be in it to win it. Diba? Kung hindi ka tumataya ng lottery, paano ka mananalo ng lottery kung hindi ka bumibili ng ticket? Diba? Also in this business, para maging successful ka, kailangan you have to be part of this. No? So, yung nag-invite sa inyo, magpapadala ng invitation link or QR code. No? Social na po tayo, digital na, QR code na. No? Pangalawa, share the products and services, no? If you are enjoying playing Planet IX, no? If you are enjoying the discounts with your Travelia product, i-share natin doon sa mga kaibigan at mga kamag-anak natin. Number 3, pakita rin natin yung plano. Pakita natin yung business opportunity, no? Because there are a lot of people out there, no? In this difficult times, no? After post-pandemic, 'di ba, ngayon pa lang natin nararamdaman yung hirap niya, no, nagtataasan yung mga presyo ng bilihin. Maraming tao na nangangailangan ng opportunity like this, no? Wag natin ipakita natin yung plan natin, yung this opportunity by inviting them to our webinars, or kung marunong ka na mag-explain, no, i-explain mo. Kung gusto mo, i-send mo lang yung 4-minute video na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, no? And that will explain the business for you, no? Tawagan mo siya after 4 minutes, sabihin mo, are you ready to join, no? O naintindihan mo ba, may mga questions ka ba, di ba? Number 4, get rewarded, no? Lahat ng incentives and bonuses, no? Pagka active and productive affiliate ka, ibibigay sa iyo ng company yan. Right? So let me give you some tips para maging successful ka dito sa negosyo. Number 1, choose the package for you, no? If you are business minded at talagang gusto mong mabilis kang lumago dito sa negosyo na to, choose the fire package. Pagka hindi naman, nandyan po yung earth package natin to start with. Number 2, activate your wallet, no, and your products. Yung wallet, dahil dyan po mapupunta yung makikitain natin, and of course your products and services, no. Number 3, go for your fear of loss bonus. Ito po yung pang-5 bonus, no, na hindi ko pinaliwanag kanina, no. But all you need to do is to basically, within your first 14 days dito sa negosyo, kumuha ka lang ng 4 na bagong members na bibili din ng mga packages natin, and the company will give you an instant cash reward dito, no, within 14 days. Number 4, contact your key people. Prospecting po ang tawag dyan, no? Sabihin, lahat ng posible na magustuhan tong opportunity natin, kontakin na natin sila. Yung kapitbahay mo, no? Yung lahat ng friends mo sa Facebook, no? All the communities that you belong, di ba? Lahat yan, wag kang mag-discriminate, no? Wag kang mag-judge ng ibang tao na hindi sila pwede sa negosyo na to. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Bawal ang judgmental dito. Number 5, attend webinars and events, no? Pagka mayroong mga Zoom meetings, no, invite kayo, mag-attend kayo, no, because this is an opportunity to learn and also an opportunity to build your own organization. These 5 steps, no, pagka na-duplicate ninyo, ibig sabihin, kung ginagawa nyo, tapos ginagawa din ng mga taong ini-invite nyo dito sa negosyo o nire-refer nyo, then you will be able to build a huge and stable organization that will eventually determine kung ano yung size ng income nyo o kung magkano yung kikitain nyo dito sa negosyo na to. Okay? So, no, in closing, no, let me leave you a quote from Richard Branson, no, one of the richest people in the world. Siya po ang may-ari ng Virgin Atlantic, siya po ang may-ari ng Virgin Money, ng Virgin TV, Virgin Media, Virgin Mobile Phone, no, lahat ng Virgin pag-aari niya, di ba? So, si Richard Branson, medyo kapos din po ito sa pag-aaral, no? Dyslexic rin po, sabi po niya, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Sa lahat ng information na binigay ko sa inyo, I don't expect you to understand it all. For sure, meron kayong mga questions. Pero ang advice ko, don't let those questions or doubts in your mind stop you from starting this business opportunity. Because in this kind of business, yung positioning and timing is very critical. Diba? Why? Kasi this involves referrals. This involves talking to people. Diba? Yung naiisip mo mga tao na gusto mong invite ngayon dito sa negosyo, baka 2 weeks from now, dahil hindi ka pa sumali, hindi ka nag-decide agad, no? Baka i-invite ka na naman ng tao na yon, no? So mawawala yung perfect timing mo to join this opportunity. So ang totoong, yung mga successful people, they grab opportunities by the neck the moment they see them, no? Hindi nila kailangang malaman ang simplest details, no? Alam nila na matututunan nila yan habang ginagawa na nila yung negosyo na to. Just like, for example, si Mark Zuckerberg, no? Nung nilaunch niya yung Facebook, no, all he wants is for us to have a platform kung saan pwede natin makausap yung mga kamag-anak natin, pwede tayong mag-post ng mga comments ng mga comment nasa isip natin, ng mga comments, ng mga pictures natin, tapos merong magla-like, may mag-share, no, merong mag-hate, no. Di ba? So yun lang gusto niya, no, portal of communication lang, no, pwede nating tawagan yung mga kamag-anak natin, di ba, through the messenger. Pero hindi niya alam, no, along the way na discover niya that yung Facebook is a gold mine. Ibig sabihin, pwede pala niya gamitin yung Facebook, no, to advertise sa mga malalaki at maliliit na kumpanya. Kasi pag nalaman nila na maraming tao nagtitipon-tipon doon sa Facebook, di ba? Di ba ganoon naman gusto ng mga products and services, no? Maipakita sa maraming tao yung mga produkto at serbisyo nila. So, Facebook has become an advertising portal, no? Kung saan nagbabayad sila ng milyon-milyon sa Facebook. So, more opportunities for Mark Zuckerberg, no, and this company to make a lot of money. So hindi nila in-expect yun. Hindi nila kailangan malaman yung every details. And that's the same in our business, no? You will learn all the details pagka part ka na nitong negosyo na to. So don't worry about the smallest details. Get in. Total, wala namang mawawala sa iyo, di ba? Ako nga, nung sumali ako dito in 2020, dalawa lang ang tanong sa isipan ko. Una, what have I got to lose? Ano bang mawawala sa akin? Eh wala naman. That time, mga 6,000 to 7,000 pesos na ang kailangan, no? Bumili ako ng package, sabi ko hindi na ako lugi. Bakit? Kasi may nakuha akong mga exciting products, no? Like yung Mixer before, I can enjoy playing all the games, no? Hundreds of games doon, no? Tapos ngayon, I-enjoy ko yung Planet IX, no? So yung products, lifetime kung pakikinabangan yan, di ba? So hindi ka lugi. Even if the business works for you or not, hindi ka lugi dahil may nakuha ka out of the money na binayad mo sa company. Okay? So, walang kalugi dito. Pangalawang tanong ko sa sarili ko, what's in it for me? Di ba? WIIFM. What's in it for me? Siyempre, pag magnenegosyo ka, anong makukuha ka out of this? No? Pag nag-work yung business para sa'yo, this is your This is your ticket to financial freedom. This is your ticket to time freedom. No? Kasi pagka kumita ka ng malaki through this opportunity in a short period of time, hindi mo kailangan magtrabaho ng 30 to 40 years. Maybe work on this business opportunity for 1 to 5 years. Baka 5 years lang makapag-retire ka na financially. Hindi mo kailangan ng physical retirement. Ang kailangan mo, financial retirement. Ang dami nagre-retire ng 65 years old. Di ba? Nagtrabaho sila for 30 to 40 years. Nakapag-retire ba talaga sila? Hindi. Dahil wala silang sapat na ipon to spend beyond retirement. So karamihan sa kanila nagtatrabaho pa rin. Karamihan humihingi, nangungutang doon sa mga family member na may kaya, di ba? Imagine, nag-work ka ng 30 to 40 years, tapos ganun pa rin ang buhay mo. Pero dito, within 5 years, resume mo yung negosyo, no? You can retire financially, magagamit mo na yung oras mo for the other more important things in life, di ba? So don't worry about the smallest details, matututunan mo yan. Be like Richard Branson, be like Mark Zuckerberg, no? Grab the opportunity by the neck, no? Alright, so yung opportunity nandito, and this is also an opportunity to build the tomorrow that you want. Pero ang question, kailan mo i-build yung tomorrow na yon? Sa makalawa ba? Bukas ba? Sa isang buwan ba? No. The opportunity to build the tomorrow that you want is today. No? So magsimula ka na. Huwag ka nang maghintay ng kung ano, huwag ka magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Thank you for joining us today. Ito po muli si Paul D. Guzman, nagsasabing daig ng maagap ang masipag. Thank you.
Ayun, maraming salamat po, Sir Paul de Guzman.